In the previous video, we have studied about the alkanes, saturated hydrocarbons. Now we will discuss about their electron dot structures. Alkanes, first alkane is methane. Meth means one carbon, ane means single bonds. It have one atom of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen, CH4. Electronic configuration of carbon, as we know, atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration is 2, 4. K shell having 2 electrons, L shell having 4 electrons. So Lewis dot structure for the carbon is, we will write here the symbol. Then electrons on the outermost shell are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Lewis dot structure for carbon. Now for hydrogen, electronic configuration of hydrogen, atomic number is 1. 1 electron is present in K shell. So its electron dot structure or Lewis dot structure is this one. We can represent these electrons by dot or cross. It's our own choice. Electron dot structure of methane. We will place carbon at the center and hydrogen at the four sides. Now we will place 4 electrons of carbon likewise as the electron dot structure of carbon, and we will represent electron of hydrogen by cross to differentiate. 1 electron of this hydrogen, 1 electron of this hydrogen, 1 electron of this hydrogen, and this is the electron of this hydrogen. Now hydrogen having 1 electron and carbon having 4 electrons. Hydrogen will share its electron with carbon. So single bond is formed. What is single bond? Single bond is formed when there is sharing of 1 electron pairs between 2 atoms. K shell of hydrogen is filled now. It have 2 electrons by sharing. Likewise, all the hydrogens do. K shell is filled. K shell of this hydrogen is also filled. Carbon having its 4 electrons will share 1 electron from each hydrogen, completing its octet. Likewise, octet of carbon is complete. This is electron dot structure of methane. We will understand it with the activity. C for carbon with its 4 electrons. I have chosen here 2 colored pulses. Black for carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons of carbon are here. Now hydrogen having 1 electron. I'll place it here. This is hydrogen electron. This is electron of hydrogen. Electron of this hydrogen. Electron of this hydrogen. Carbon shares its electron with hydrogens, 4 hydrogen atoms. 1 electron from this hydrogen, 1 from this hydrogen, 1 from this, 1 from this hydrogen. So completing its octet. Octet of carbon is complete with 8 electrons. Now for hydrogen we will use other bangles. 2 electrons of hydrogen forming single bond. 2 electrons of this hydrogen. This is overlapped area, means sharing of electron is there. Now we can see octet of carbon is complete and 2 electrons in K shell. Hydrogen completes itself by sharing with carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second member of alkane family, ethane. IUPAC name is, or IUPAC name is ethane. Eth means 2 carbon, ane means joined with single bonds. Its molecular formula C2H6. As we know, general formula of alkanes are CnH2n plus 2. Structural formula. 2 carbons joined with single bond. 1 valence is satisfied. Rest. 1, 2, 3. 3 valencies of each carbon are satisfied with hydrogens, completing their tetracovalency or completing their octet. Electron dot structure. For carbon, again 4 electrons in the shell, 4 electrons of this carbon, 1 electron of hydrogen. First of all, we will complete the duplet of hydrogen. Now we will complete octet of first carbon. It will share 1 electron with 3 hydrogens and 1 with carbon. Again, with the same is the case with second carbon. It will share 3 electrons with 3 hydrogens and 1 electron with other carbon. 2 carbon at the center. 4 electrons of this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 electrons of this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. They will share 1 electron with each carbon, completing their octet after sharing with hydrogen also. First of all, I will explain carbon-carbon single bond. Hereby, in this overlapped area of these bangles contain 2 electrons, means 1 electron of this carbon, 1 electron of this carbon. Now we will place yellow pulses here to represent 1 electron of hydrogen in each case. Now we will complete duplet of hydrogen. 1 electron of this hydrogen with yellow pulse and black pulse representing 1 electron of carbon. Same will be the case with all the hydrogens. Duplet is complete. Duplet of this hydrogen is complete. Duplet of this hydrogen is also complete. Duplet of this hydrogen is also complete, and duplet of this hydrogen is also complete. This is the electron dot structure of ethane. In the next video, we will discuss about the isomerism and the isomers related to alkanes or saturated hydrocarbons. Thanks for watching.